Welcome to Report Pundit, the smarter way to create reports for Shopify merchants. Easily create custom reports in just a few minutes. So in this quick demo, we'll walk you through how to generate reports with pre-built templates, create custom reports, apply filters, export and schedule your reports, integrate third-party apps, and set up multi-store reporting. Let's get started. Once you install Report Pundit, you'll land on the library page. Here you'll find a wide range of pre-built reports, categorized for quick access. If your store has at least 1 month of synced data, you can generate reports right away. No setup required. Let's explore a pre-built report, say the Shopify Commission Report. You can adjust the date range, add or remove columns, and customize the view to fit your workflow. Need an extra column? No worries, just contact our live support. We'll help you add it instantly. Want deeper insights? Use filters to refine your data. For example, looking for a specific order number? Just add a filter. You can apply multiple conditions or remove unnecessary columns to get exactly what you need. Once you've got your desired report, save it for future use. To build a custom report from scratch, go to the library and click Create Custom Report. Enter a name and description. Choose a report type to view commonly used fields and add or remove columns anytime. Need something out of the box? We'll help you create custom columns. Or if you're comfortable with PSQL, you can write your own. Let's quickly create a sample custom column and a static column to see how it works. Once your report is ready, export it in your preferred format: Excel, CSV, PDF, or sync it with your Google Sheet, whatever works best for your business. Want reports delivered automatically? Just choose your preferred schedule: daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. Pick a time. Choose your delivery method. Let's say email. Your report will appear under the Schedules tab, ready to run like clockwork. Need to pull in external data? It's simple. Select an integration. For example, Google Analytics. Enter your email and authorize. And you're done. Your GA data will appear right within your reports. Managing multiple Shopify stores? No problem. Go to Settings, click Connect Shop, enter your token ID of the other shop. That's it. Your new store is now linked. In your reports, use the shop and domain fields to view data across all connected stores. Want to explore more features? Check out our help docs or reach out to our 24/7 live support team. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting with Report Pundit. Try Report Pundit today, the smarter way to report.